Hello children, let us continue with the chapter Rupees and Paise. 10 young children working in a bangle factory were set free today. A news reporter and the police found them in a sad condition. The factory made the children work very hard. It paid them only rupees 20 a day. The children are happy to go back to their homes in their village. They will go to a special school so that they can learn to study like other children their age. By making children work, the factory tries to save money. The police will now take action. Let us see how much money the factory tries to save. So children, here we have to find out the amount of money that the factory is making by employing children in place of adults. So the money they have to pay to an adult is 85 rupees, but if they will employ a child, they need to pay only 20 rupees a day. So on one person, the factory saves rupees. We will subtract 20 from 85. Because if they employ an adult, they will have to pay 85 rupees. But by having a child work, they are paying only rupees 20. So, they are saving 65 rupees a day. So, if we have to find out on 10 persons, the factory will save how much? So, we will multiply rupees 65 with 10. We will get 650 rupees a day. If the factory is employing 10 persons, then it will save 650 rupees a day. Train journey. This train goes from New Jalpaiguri to Guwahati. On its way, it stops at New Mall, Alipurdwar and Golpara stations. The cost of a rail ticket to different stations is given in the table. Distance from New Jalpaiguri in kilometers is also given, and the fare, that is the cost of ticket, is also given. So children, we have to find out that from New Mall to Guwahati, what will be the distance. So distance from New Mall to Guwahati will be equal to distance from New Jalpaiguri to Guwahati minus distance from New Jalpaiguri to New Mall, which is 495 kilometers minus 57 kilometers. When we will subtract this, we will be able to find distance between New Mall to Guwahati. When we will subtract 57 from 495, we will get 438. So distance between New Mall and Guwahati is 438 kilometers. Then we have to find the distance between New Mall to Golpara. For this, we need to find out distance from New Jalpaiguri to Golpara. Then we will subtract distance from New Jalpaiguri to New Mall. So we will be able to get the distance between New Mall and Golpara. So we will subtract 57 kilometers from 366 kilometers. So here 366 kilometer is the distance from New Jalpaiguri to Golpara, and 57 is the distance from New Jalpaiguri to New Mall. When we will subtract them, we will get 309. So distance between New Mall and Golpara is 309 kilometers. After that, we need to find distance from Alipurdwar to Guwahati. For this, we first need to find the distance from New Jalpaiguri to Guwahati, which is 495 kilometers. From this, if we subtract distance from New Jalpaiguri to Alipurdwar, which is 175, when we will subtract it, we will be able to get the distance between New Mall and Golpara, which is 320 kilometers. So the distance between Alipurdwar to Guwahati is 320 kilometers. Now we need to find out the distance between New Mall and Alipurdwar. So from the table we can see that distance from New Jalpaiguri to Alipurdwar is 175 kilometers and distance from New Jalpaiguri to New Mall is 57 kilometers. If we will subtract them, we will be able to get the distance between New Mall and Alipurdwar. In the same way, children, we have to find the distance between Golpara and Guwahati. So, if we will see the table carefully, we will find that distance from New Jalpaiguri to Guwahati is 495 kilometers and distance from New Jalpaiguri to Golpara is 366 kilometers. So here children, when we will subtract them, we will get the distance between Golpara and Guwahati. So when we will subtract 366 kilometers from 495 kilometers, we will get 129 kilometers. In the same way children, now we have to find the cost of tickets. So Bhupen is going from New Jalpaiguri to Alipurdwar. What is the cost of his ticket? So from the table we can see that the cost from New Jalpaiguri to Alipurdwar is rupees 28. Indra has to go from New Jalpaiguri to Golpara. How much does she pay for the ticket? From the table we can see that the ticket cost from Jalpaiguri to Golpara is rupees 49 and 50 paise. It means that she pays rupees 49 and 50 paise for the ticket. Debu, Soma and Gobind are going from New Jalpaiguri to New Mall. What amount will they pay for 3 tickets? So children, from the table we can see that the ticket cost for 3 of them when they are going from Jalpaiguri to New Mall is rupees 12 rupees 50 paisa. So as there are 3 persons, we will be multiplying them by 3. So 12 rupees 50 paisa when multiplied with 3 is 37 rupees 50 paise. So it is also given that they give a 50 rupees note for the ticket. How much money will they get back? Now children, if they are giving 50 rupee note and the total cost of the ticket is 37 rupees 50 paise. So we need to subtract in order to find out how much money they will get back. So when we will subtract 37 rupees 50 paise from 50 rupees, we will be getting 12 rupees 50 paise. So these 3 people will get rupees 12 and 50 paise back when they give a 50 rupee note. Children, I hope you have understood how to multiply, how to add and subtract money. Happy learning!